Yari pa.
Bago, wala akong kaso. I'm clear, I'm clear. White ako. Wala akong kaso. Bago tayo, nakulong. Itan.
Oh, that's my friend, bro. Willow, that's my friend. That's clear, Willow.
Oh, ay, tuloy mo ako. Wala akong kaso, pre. Wala akong kaso. Wala akong kaso, re-record ko to, ha.
Gago ni
Recording,
Pinoy
I'm
yan.
recording.
Gago ni...
Okay, naka-record
Hey,
yan, pre.
Freddy.
Naka-record yan.
Hey, Freddy, hide your gun.
Yeah, I'm recording, I'm recording. No violence, no violence. Oh, I'm recording.
Tulungan kita utol.
On Discord, bro.
Chucky,
Sige
tara.
ko.
Natin to, Chucky. Chucky, tara. Ito,
Si on Discord.
Si Sky Pop. Wala
Si on
ata
Discord, bro.
Wala kang kaso, Sky. Pop.
Wala akong violation.
Tara. Hindi. Tara. Sakay ka na, Chucky. Tara, sakay. Sige, tara na, Chucky.
Wala akong violation, oh. I don't have violation.
Harangan natin doon. May kalaban ba sa ganghouse? Tara. Sino kalaban ba?
Boy. Di mo pinet.
Tama, ha. Okay, naka-record ako. No violation ako. Tawag na ako admin. See you on Discord, motherfucker. I have record. I have record. I have record. Give me violation, bro. Give me violation, huh? See you on Discord, bro. See you on Discord. Huh? See you on Discord, motherfucker. See you later on Discord. You give me a violation? I don't have violation, bro. Maybe see you later, okay? I'm recording. Below, I'm recording on Discord. Okay. Okay. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more violence. Give me more if you want. I'm recording. I don't have evidence. I show my passport with you. Okay? See on Discord. Huh? You give me a violence? Come on, let's go. Give me more, whatever you want. You arrest me? You arrest me, no violation? Okay. Give me more if you want. See on Discord. I have a recording with you every day. Whatever you want. Maybe later you get dismissed. You arrest me? John? Oh, I'm not spraying, bro. I'm not spraying. Like, you don't have evidence. See you later on Discord, bro. Later, see you on Discord. Huh? See you on Discord later. Happy. You're later. Dismiss later. Dismiss. 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 Dismiss
Yes,
later.
bitch.
Dismiss later.
No dismiss. No dismiss.
No, I have record. I'm no violation. I don't have violation. I'm recording.
But you commit offense.
I'm
The
recording.
recording, nice one. Wala yan.
Officer, which kind of nonsense be that?
Sorry nyo ako. I have more record, motherfucker, officer.
I don't mark your name. Oh.
See you later, bro, on Discord. Be happy, okay? Be happy. Be happy on
Okay,
Discord,
okay.
ha? Putong ina mo. Putong ina mo.
Ay, this is
Nakalayan na siya.
Hindi, magpapakulong ulit yun. Nawala si Tina.
Ay na yung mga polis na yan.
Tina, my love. Come here.
Ang bait ko naman. No violation. I have record.
Pakulong ka na, ikulong yan. Tama yan, makulong yan.
Stay pa.
Mamaya. Mamaya ka sa akin. On Discord, motherfucker.
Panis, minado
Kulong ka
po.
na,
Wait for your dismiss. Wait for your dismiss later, ha? You get a fucking violation with me, ha? And then I wait for you outside. And then I will kill you, motherfucker.
Gigil ang isang Skype pa.
Keep!
See you later, mother.
Keep!
See you later, see you later. Give me more fucking violation, bro, whatever you want.
Hey, keep
Fucking more
hey.
violation, whatever you want. Because I
Hey,
like it, bro.
your mouth is so fucking bro.
Padaan ako.
Hey, Skype up. Skype up.
You don't know me. Idiot. I think you don't know me.
Berkeley. Yes.
Bro. I don't have a white car.
Doms back. No, no.
Hey, Black.
See you later.
Doms, liga dito, Doms.
Kupa Sky Poop. Kupa you.
Pre, tignan mo.
Bakit ano yun?
Puno yung gang.
Kupal ka daw.
I call admin.
Wait lang.
I have evidence.
Oh, 30 kami.
30, sige.
Recording every day.
Wala akong paki sa'yo, Willow.
Mamaya, iitin na yan. Yung balbas mo, madidismiss ka na.
High blood ka ngayon, Skype pa, pahay mala ah.
Ang ino ba naman, nakatambay ako sa HP. I just want to talk to my friends. And then, the fucking popo and the fucking police arrest me, don't have violation. The fuck is the police here? I do my task because I want to talk to my friends like a fucking big fan. Drake, wait lang, Drake.
Drake
Wait.
Opal.
Just want to talk to big fan. For the money, for investing. This guy, the policeman, wants to arrest me. No violation. Ay,
Baka kanya.
Okay, say something. Go.
oh, it's okay, bro. Don't worry. Because you know,
Oh, nagping ka naman. Piping ka kasi.
Maybe someday.
Bawal yan.
Maybe someday, kaya yung policeman, I arrest you, no violation. Okay? Maybe someday, wait for me.
Pakiligin ko ba to?
Pakiligin mo
Okay.
Pakiligin mo